This is the trend review for Tuesday, the 21st of May 2024. And today I was looking at AMD. AMD was looking very weak. We rejected, let me show. We rejected R3 on the daily, and yesterday closed with higher value and higher cams, but we were opening very low in the pivots, just below S3. So I was expecting a bit of a sell-off, either rejection of S3 for a sell to the downside. But what ended up happening was very finicky price action. It's a mess. You can see this overlapping price action. It was horrible, and the market structure was neutral day. So it was just a mess today. My mistake was trying to get in it right off the bat after the first minute. We were rejecting yesterday's value, so I was hoping for an S4 breakdown. And you can see I got stopped out. And because the 2-minute closing a hammer, I decided to pull the trigger again. Price was trading around 164. Pulled the trigger, got stopped out, and that should have been the end of my day. This stop loss was very spready, and then that should have been the end of it. And then I made another entry at this hammer, which looked way more nicer, and sold off to 2 to 1, but decided to hold for a bigger price. So I didn't partial or anything, and came back to stop me out for a full loss. So after this, I started to lose it. So this is 1, 2, 3 trades. This is my fourth trade, and yeah, it's not good trading at all. I should have recognized that the market structure was very messy, but I was trying to play a breakdown. It's just that I got stopped out, and so I should have made just one entry here and one entry perhaps at the breakdown if it was going to happen, and missed out on this. Was 1, 2, 3 trades, fourth trade right here for a 2 to 1, but didn't take it, so I lost on it. And just pretty weird price action. At this moment, I just didn't want to. I lost my head. I just didn't want to accept the loss, I suppose. So I took this fifth trade for a long, understanding that this we're kind of like creating a support area right here, just under S4, and I wanted to play S4 reversal. Uh, So I was waiting for that test also of the S4 to the downside. So you can see here that an entry here could have been good, or on this hammer. But other than that, I think a different stock could have been better to trade. I think Tesla traded nicely today, so it was just a bad stock selection on my part. Yeah, Tesla actually was an R4 breakout to the top side. It just didn't trade nice today. It looked like a non-trend day at the beginning, but it ended up being just a neutral day, I suppose. We went as far as S3, S2, and then sold off again, but not a very good trading day. So I should have kept my wits about me. A routine. I had a good pre-market prep. What else did I do good? I took a trade when I saw the signal. And what else? Recognize the type of day at the end. Definitely did not hit goal. 0%. Took 5 trades. 0.5 and minus 5.6. It's a pretty big loss. But I need to push through it. I think I need to stay in live to get used to this. I need to work on my psychology, focus on what matters. But going back to sim and going back to live might be not the right move right now, I think, for me, because the risk is not that bad. So I really need to get the hang of it in live. I need to deal with the emotional aspect of trading live, and so far it's been a mess. So so intraday they're not gonna fade. So I'm gonna just do it on the stats, since it's a very particular day of blowout. And yeah, it's better if I just do it here on the statistical analysis. Breakdowns, and it's 4 breakdowns and 1 reversal. So let's see. These deep, no before, and then the is for reversal. E-trade. So this is really bad training. Blowout day. Did not trade setup at all. Very shallow attempt with strategy. So yeah, the liquidity got pulled from AMD. So maybe that explains why the trading behavior was like this, but we did get a nice signal here. If this one failed, yeah, but it wasn't nice. Perhaps I could have looked at something else. Tesla did trade nice as an R4 breakout, but it happened until like 12. I think there were news pending, and I just didn't pay attention to that. So yeah, there was nothing to trade today, and I need to be careful with that, as to not force my trades. But yeah, I need to take a really hard look at what I'm doing. Because I cannot let this happen. I've been in this too long for my actions to be like this. But I'm gonna give it another try tomorrow and try and do things right. So hopefully that's better. I need to be more relaxed, more calm when taking the trades. So hopefully I can respect my rules some more.